Alright, you dafties, so we're back with another live cop. This one's for Palace, and we're going for the ice cup tray. It's the one with the tri-ferg and not the P. I'll pop a picture up there for you guys. We're going for it. Hopefully I can cop it. The drop's in 4 minutes. So yeah guys, if you want to follow my Instagram, Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus_shoes, and I'll catch you guys back when the drop's about to happen. It's going to be very chilly, so let's go.
A few inches later.
So it's 40 seconds till the drop, so we're just going to keep refreshing. We need to do this. These ice cup trays are so sick, so it needs to happen. 6 seconds to the drop. Come on. Come on, don't fail me now. The drop should be live now. Accessories. Ice cup tray, yep. One size. Adding to cart. Cart item, check out. Oh, it's about to be very chilly in here if I get this. That's fine. Payment. Oh, come on PayPal, don't fail me now. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is so nerve wracking. Oh my gosh. Yes, boys, we got it. Oh, yes, get in there. Oh, I just got so chilly in here all of a sudden. We got it, guys. Yes. So the tray's sold out now. I knew it was going to be an item to sell out. I wanted to go for the tri-ferg instead of the P because the P is still not sold out. The hype piece loves the tri-ferg. So, a couple of the items that launched this week also was the Rasta hoodie, which was nice, but just not what I was wanting. And then you had the Power crew neck, which is the one where they used the tri-ferg to spell out very powerful. Not my thing. I had too much tri-fergs in it. I'm going to say with that one. But you can't win them all. So yeah, guys. So we caught what we were going to cop. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you haven't watched yesterday's video, the brand talk video, I put so much work into that and it's kind of flopped. So if you guys want to watch that, please, it's on Palace, so it's really interesting. So yeah guys, please like, subscribe, follow my Instagrams at Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus_shoes, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.